What is up, everybody? Back to you again, another video. Still rolling through this second inner case of Optic Contenders, or I guess Contenders Optic, from Blowout Sports. Last 4 boxes pretty good to us. Got a couple cool cards, but nothing better than pulling a Saquon redemption out of that one. After the last several Kikis that I got, it was good to feel that again. And maybe, just maybe, I don't have to start PCing Kiki. So, 3 boxes on the left, 3 on the right. Let's see what this inner case has for us here. As always, got the dice 1, 3, 5 on the left, 2, 4, 6 on the right. Let's go. It's a 2, and the box is on the right. Let's get these guys going. Always got a trusty box cutter. What's up, Stan? These guys open. As always, 6 cards in a pack, 1 pack in a box, 2 autographs, 1 on card, and we're looking for monsters. Looking for monsters. I'm going to go with the same little rotation we had last time, just to keep the flow going. All right, triple threat, Eli, Saquon, Odell. That is the blue. It's 18 out of 99. We have a base, Josh Norman. That guy off of there. We have a base, Jay Ajayi. Aaron Donald, orange. And that is going to be 49 of 49, which we all know as eBay 101. Flip this guy over. See what we get. Starting it off, card number 181, a Viking, Mr. Tyler Conklin. Pull him out of there. Purple, and that is 74 of 99. DSH. Rookie of the Year. Deshaun Hamilton. Cool signature on that one. Rookie of the Year. Auto on card. Next pack. We need that fire, baby. We need fire. We need monsters. We need it all. Say we're not here to get cute signatures, pretty cards. We need big things. We need big guns. We need something cool. All right. Legendary Contenders, Brett Favre. That is going to be 160 out of 175. Base card, Brandon Cooks. Base card, TB12, GOAT. We have a red season ticket, Odell Beckham. That will be out at 144 of 199. Put this guy around. See what we get. Card 190. Kaiser White. That is 21 of 99. Pull that back out of here. Purple. Sticker auto. Come on, big boy. Come on out of there. Card 119 is a Christian Kirk. Not numbered. Rookie ticket auto. Well, I'm a big Christian Kirk believer, so we'll accept that. That's acceptable. Let's acceptable. All right. Third box. Only 3 more left out of that inner case. See a little orange there. There he is. Troy Aikman. Blue 1989 Class Axe. 14 out of 25. Definitely get that one added to the old collection. Nice way to start that off. We have Dante Jackson, base. Todd Gurley, base. We have Mr. Gronkowski, orange prism. And that one is going to be 24 to 49. Low number Gronk there. No, you gotta be kidding me. All right, well, I mean, I guess worse things could happen. Hopefully that doesn't take my on-card auto. 1,500 points. We'll accept that. And then for our final one, MG. Y'all know who that is. See, nice cowboy. Rookie of the year. Not numbered though. That would be the base Rookie of the Year Contenders. All right. For those 3 boxes, a couple decent cards out of there. Those points, you know, we'll take them. 1,500 points. Like I said, working on a couple Kaboom packs, so get those guys going. And all right, guys. Till next time. Good vibes, good times, good night. Thanks.